sit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel, cause I get rough. You told me your new man gon' make you miss it. I'm saying, you come here, I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet your down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. On my mind. For you, we be the richest in the fucking world. Yeah. We be so comfortable, girl. It's only you for me. No lie, I'm tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always known. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew aside.
I'm giving life some vibes, I'm blowing dynamite, I'm blowing candlelight, you know I'm just
outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn chrome. Or to pop up on your phone like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
right outside.
Vem com tu, mano.
Pode sair com bermuda.
Vem com o pé, oui.
Tá vendo que eu vou dar por ela hoje?
O te bota aí com mal.
Não, get more. Enfim, não tem mole. Não tem mole, já. Sini hari menawi sabut mah.
Pois é.
Okay? Pois aí, dia que petit mon hari receive se baksi sa.
I have written him and you scan that. That is correct. Un pessoal. Un clique no ça.
Depois on.
Vamos continue.
Continue.
Upload a photo. Último. Quanto é uma foto? Quanto é uma?
Hã?
Por isso que você usa a webcam ou smartphone upload a passport type photo. Sa man ti sos karo na pa? Passport?
Aqui motivo manda da boba.
Non, passport pa iso dan nou
Oh, di mo pa
an vil.
Ué, olha ali mo pa wa.
Ou na pa sa ou?
Onde anda mo?
Ya ka isi sou figi.
Mami tá banana. Kalau não vou voar agora, o meu tá fini mais. Tá ali vindo.
Welcome to Rosie's Lux Boutique. Welcome back to my channel. My channel name is Rosie. Welcome to another video. I'm at my mom's house now.
Airport, e vai lá banca ali é com o airport. Vai lá banca ali, disse as suas ali. O qual é o tipo de pode foto uma quando
Mami, sa tipo plus facile se tu ganhar banti choses. Ben unless ou besoin faire o make-up, si ou porte ou figi. Comment pedir ou?
Você vai ter lá mesmo lá. Pois aí tá pelo que lá. Não quero falar com o bicho. Eu vai set free, não pode ter lá.
Pareil, mon petit peguet. Un film, mon petit peguet. Hier soir, vous matin, on figue, était un bout. Eh? As you can see here, I'm at my mom's house. It's relaxing and chill. This is what I needed. I think I'm going to the beach later, but the beach is hot, so I'm chilling here. You can see the place. Passa primo. They're very beautiful. So cute and relaxing. This is what I love, guys. Nature. The sky is so blue and beautiful. Oh my god, there's coconut and just above my head. Look at that. A mãe de vamos planter. Petsio. Cai ver. Te serviu? É? Tá sabe para aí, vó. E até? Te serve? Exatamente.
É verdade.
Lá também te dando calor. Dizer. Pode dizer. Bana.
Yeah, de bela.
É?
De poisson.
Fish.
Poisson de verde.
Fish?
Ok. Eles vão dizer, eu digo.
Diega.
Ok. Aí dispõe.
Uma cremoada. Okay, guys, so I just finished watching what? I just finished dropping my mom to the airport. So now I'm going home, or I'm a little crazy. I might go to the beach. Just chill and relax. I'm actually watching YouTube now. I look bit. Oh my god, look at my face, look at my hair. I'm so ready to take a shower right now because it's been a long day. I've been at my mom's place all day, and yeah, I don't think I'm cooking. I'm just going to buy something, I think, on the road and chill. Yeah, so I'm going to buy food, something to eat, something filling. I feel a little bit, yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Okay, guys, this is the end of today's vlog. It was very adventurous, very relaxing. I had so much fun at my mom's place. Tomorrow I go back to work. Spending time alone made me so happy. I just need to start doing this more often. Go to spas. Just relax. Just spend time with yourself. Journal, reflect, self-reflect about life. So this is what I did for these 2 days. Tomorrow I'm going back to work. I don't know what I have planned tomorrow, but I'm going to end this vlog today. Yeah, so I don't have anything else to say for today. I'm going to bed. I'm just going to change into my pajamas, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed my little video, my little vlog, daily vlog, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Toodles.